up? What shape is that? Apa-apa. Hungry face. Happy. Surprised. Sad face. Oh, crying. Hungry again. Cute. Oh, dance on. Dance. Eating. Like na? What's that? It's Lola's. Is that Lola's? Wow! Look, we're so high. Look at the view. Ganda naman. Bubbles. Bubbles? Yeah. Uy, impog. Bubbles. Bubbles. Grabe taas. Bubbles. Bubbles. Where are we? Look. Cityscape Cafe. When you wake up in the morning. Can you sing that, Zoe? Sing for Mama then. When you wake up and it's hungry. Zoe's always hungry. Mini golf.
Pizza and ice cream.
Wow.
Pwede tayo mini golf dyan. Maglaro.
Wow, wow, wow.
Base tayo dito.
Wow, wow.
Sabi nag-golf. Sarap talaga maging mayaman, no? Ayan, pa tayo. May Japan. Dami palang pwedeng puntahan dito eh. Ito pala talaga place to be. Ito yung bagong Tagaytay. Ito talaga yung bagong Tagaytay. Oo, sisigaw ka, sisigaw ka. Tahanan tayo.
Tata.
Yes.
Iya, iya, yo.
I don't know. We're
Japanese
here.
restaurant.
Thunderbird.
Pwede puntahan dito.
Thunderbird. London.
Mountain.
Mountain. Uy, mountain.
Uy, mountain. I don't know.
Ooh.
Wow, it's an old hotel.
Down. ABCs.
We're here. Again. Look. We're here. Again. Hi, Mama. Mamaya ka na chika-chika. Master! Wala, Ate Yumi.
Ito.
Bye! Saan kami?
Hey! Ay! Wala!
Asa yung dalawa?
Wala! Lihat! Lihat na kayo sa kotse!
Sasapat kasi kita. Magpalit ka na ng shorts. Hindi ka mainitan. Iwan ko yung sombrero.
Apple. Apple.
Ask Lola.
Ay, wala yun.
Hi. We dance first.
It was September 2016 na I was working in the store.
Going?
Days.
Going to Tita Grace. Tita Grace is resting na. They're here. Other way, Zoe. There.
I love you. Yeah, hi. I love it. This is nice.
Oh, wait lang.
Days.
Oh, go.
Uwi na.
Hindi ako makatulog. Hindi ako makatulog kung ano yung ano. Parang inaantok ako. Pero
That's coffee. That's Dada's coffee. Na, Dada, oh.
Alright!
O, binibigay lang sa'yo.
here, through my prayer,
Ay!
through conversations of prayer,
Binigay mo sa akin? Very good.
Go out.
Kung di usa siya pag-bless sa rin ako nga, ipaagin na
Ate Yume!
pagpasalamat. Ang makita ang hindi mo ba kung iusa sa pag-bless.
Everyone has the opportunity.
Where are you going?
Swim, swim!
Gold? Is it gold?
Swim, swim! Sabay,
Swim! Swim! Sama TV na!
Layo naman.
Hindi, malapit lang to.
Galing. Swimming. Oh, get your, floaty.
Oo, kukunin ko ha. Bantay mo siya.
Floaty.
Laman! Fatty!
Madahon.
Floaty.
Swati!
You want to get in the floaty?
Yeah.
Get in.
Open in the world.
Ah, up ka, up.
Flower.
Fatty!
Floaty.
Fatty!
Labog ka na. Upo ka lang. Sobrang baba.
Fatty! Fatty!
Picture kayo. Send nyo kay Hailey at Yumi.
Doon, dali.
Happy. Happy, wala yung mga ate. Happy, wala yung mga ate.
Next week tayo iinggitin.
Happy si Lola, wala yung mga ate.
Wala yung magagastos.
Wala yung mga malalaki gastos.
Oo, si Lolo daw siya.
Ate Yumi. Ate Yumi. Okay, mami naman, kay mami. You go to mami. Yan, go to mami. May nagdaang barko. May nagdaang barko. Nakakalakad mo. Okay, Lolo. Lolo. Go to Lolo. Come to Lolo. May barko eh, may barko. Uy. Uy, whale. Oh, whale. Oh, whale. Uy. Tingit mo po. Pantay naman dito eh.
When you wake up.
When you wake up in the morning.
And you're hungry. Ikaw nga. Ayun na si Kuya. Whale na naman. Again, again. Again. Lolo. Lolo. Pupunta to kay Lolo.
Foot, ayan, pakita mo kay Lola. Show yung bubo to Lola.
Your feet. No bubo, your foot? Where? Saan?
Pinangkalso sa...
Wait lang. Are you not afraid to swim? No.
Come here.
Ano?
Go swim. We're gonna give you a boost. Kick me. 1, 2. Papalakpak pa yung paa. Ayan. Hindi ko na magawa. Ang tagal eh.
Kapamera.
Ah, yan. Nasaan si Edward?
Ayun po, nagsoli rin ng towel po. Babalik ka pa ba?
Wow, ganda.
Isang kotse na lang daw tayo.
Nice.
Ah.
Big, ito small. Galing.
Let's go.
Let's go na, Sawi.
Sabi, let's go na. Oh, come on. It's fun. Ay, iwan. Run. Walk. No more. Bukas ng umaga din.
Boom.
Tigda si mama.
Dada, run daw, Dada.
Dada. Big tummy, ikaw. Big tummy. Ay. Walking na. Walking.
Ako na.
Ano yung kakainin?
Great, ikaw na lang.
Launch the ball to move. You found a letter. Team, you found a letter.
Postiso na lang. Yan ang item. Baby shark, do.